Own business, we at Bambo Nature know that what you put on your baby is just as important as what you put in your baby. When you think about natural diapers, you probably think skin-friendly, eco-friendly, allergy-friendly, all that good stuff. But what about the performance? Is it really possible to have chemical-free products that actually perform? Well, as parents ourselves at Bambo Nature, we've dedicated over 30 years to creating a line of baby care products that are safe and work surprisingly well. So let's take a closer look at a Bambo Nature diaper. Keeping dry is so important for your baby's well-being. Bambo Nature's unique 3-layer core design pulls moisture away from the skin, even after multiple wettings, meaning your child stays dry and happy. So stop worrying about accidentally losing track of changing time. Bambo Nature has you covered. Bambo Nature diapers and training pants have a fully breathable backsheet designed to help heat and moisture escape from around delicate bottoms, helping to prevent irritation and keep kids comfortable and dry. And because a dry baby is a happy baby, parents, you're gonna breathe much easier too. Bambo Nature diapers and training pants have these flexible side panels that can stretch around your baby's hips, providing a snug but comfortable fit that allow for total freedom of movement. And parents, you can have total peace of mind because our strategically placed protective barriers reduce the chance of leaks and blowouts. Your baby's skin is fragile and sensitive, so Bambo Nature uses only the softest materials available. And because all of our products are free of chemicals, allergens, perfumes, and dyes, your little one's skin will be healthy and happy. And there you have it, the whole story behind the best diapers you can get.
Abena is based in the southern part of Denmark. We deliver top-quality caring solutions to healthcare institutions. Home time to understand the needs of the customer. Used his product know-how to find the perfect solution. And, in the end, made life easier for the customer. Today, our customers are healthcare institutions all over the world. But we still work from that same basic philosophy. Our product specialists make it their business to always know more about the products. Whether developed in our own state-of-the-art production in Denmark, Sweden and France, or sourced through Abena's own global sourcing network, the key word is always the same: top quality. Focusing on the delivery time to our customers, Abena products are stocked in our warehouses across Europe, close to the customer. Our promise to healthcare buyers, staff and end users is the same. Abena will make life easier, and doing business with us will always be a positive experience. For the buyer, we're a unique one-stop shop with the widest healthcare range available anywhere in the market. Having only one partner saves time and costs. We take the term one-stop shop to the limit by offering food service, waste management and paper articles to healthcare customers. Is proud of our green conscience and eco-certified products. We are the first producer to have Nordic Eco-Label certified incontinence products. We reuse 95% of the waste generated in our production factory in Denmark. With subsidiaries across Europe and sales companies in the US and China, we have a strong international focus. The ways of transportation may be different from when we started, but the basic DNA is still the same. We strive to understand our customers, offer the best total solution, and make life easier. Abena, because we care.